everyone, welcome back to Venta. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic full-size SUVs in the world, the 2026 Nissan Patrol Platinum V6. The Patrol has always been known for its bold presence, serious off-road capability, and premium comfort. And the 2026 Platinum V6 model takes everything to the next level with a refined design, upgraded technology, and a powerful yet efficient engine. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Nissan Patrol Platinum V6 carries a commanding road presence that instantly grabs attention. Up front, you get a massive V-motion grille finished in a dark chrome accent, paired with sleek LED matrix headlights that give it a modern and aggressive look. The sculpted hood adds muscle, while the redesigned front bumper enhances both aerodynamics and toughness. Along the sides, strong character lines run from front to rear, emphasizing its length and strength. The large multi-spoke alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, giving it that premium yet rugged vibe. At the back, the LED taillights are sharper and more refined, connected by a subtle chrome strip that enhances the SUV's width. Overall, the Patrol Platinum V6 looks bold, luxurious, and ready for any terrain. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Nissan Patrol Platinum V6 features a powerful twin-turbo V6 engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque. This new V6 setup replaces the older V8 in some markets, offering better fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, the Patrol accelerates confidently whether you're cruising on the highway or overtaking slower traffic. The intelligent 4WD system ensures maximum traction on sand, mud, snow, or rocky terrain. With multiple drive modes and an advanced terrain management system, the Patrol adapts easily to different driving conditions. The suspension has also been fine-tuned for a smoother ride, making it incredibly comfortable on city roads while still being capable off-road. Steering feels solid and controlled, and despite its large size, the Patrol handles surprisingly well. Step inside, and the interior truly reflects the Platinum badge. The cabin of the 2026 Nissan Patrol Platinum V6 is spacious, luxurious, and packed with technology. Premium leather seats with detailed stitching provide both comfort and style. The front seats are heated and ventilated, while second-row passengers enjoy generous legroom and premium materials. The dashboard features a large high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital instrument cluster keeps the driver informed with clear, customizable displays. Soft-touch materials, wood or brushed metal accents, and ambient lighting create a refined atmosphere. The panoramic sunroof adds an airy feel, making the cabin even more inviting. With 3 rows of seating, the Patrol comfortably accommodates families while still offering ample cargo space when needed. When it comes to unique features, the 2026 Nissan Patrol Platinum V6 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system makes parking and maneuvering such a large SUV much easier. The premium Bose sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, turning every drive into a concert-like experience. Rear-seat entertainment screens keep passengers entertained on long journeys. The power tailgate, remote start, and smart key access add convenience to daily use. One standout feature is the advanced hydraulic body motion control system, which improves stability and reduces body roll during cornering and off-road adventures. This makes the Patrol not just powerful, but also incredibly composed. Safety has always been a priority for Nissan, and the 2026 Nissan Patrol Platinum V6 continues that tradition with a strong body structure and a full suite of airbags. The advanced safety technologies work seamlessly in the background to give drivers peace of mind. Whether you're driving in the city, cruising on highways, or exploring desert dunes, this SUV is built to protect and perform. In terms of practicality, the Patrol offers flexible seating configurations and plenty of storage compartments throughout the cabin. The third row folds flat to create more cargo space, making it ideal for road trips, shopping runs, or outdoor adventures. Towing capability is also impressive, allowing you to haul trailers or boats with confidence. The 2026 Nissan Patrol Platinum V6 blends luxury, performance, and rugged capability in a way few SUVs can match. It's bold on the outside, powerful under the hood, and refined on the inside. Whether you're looking for a premium family SUV or a capable off-road machine with upscale comfort, the Patrol Platinum V6 checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Venta for more exciting car reviews and updates. See you in the next one.